In this video, I'll install a Rubbermaid configurations 4 to 8 feet wire shelving kit closet organization system. It's a way to put shelves in any which way you want with bars to hang shirts, clothes, coats, shoes, whatever. In this video, I'll show you how to use toggle bolts, which are bolts that grab the back of the drywall to make sure that this closet system never falls off the wall. It's a very important step. After unboxing, you're going to want to find your wood studs to attach the horizontal mounting bar, which will hold the whole system to the wall. This is the most important step. You want to use a good stud finder and make sure you find the studs. The instructions say to put it up 86 inches from the floor. In this case, I just put it 8 inches from the ceiling. Here I am putting a 1/8 inch pilot hole for the wood screws. Where there is no studs, you can put a 3/8 inch hole and use the 1/8 inch toggle bolts. I'm also going to be using toggle bolts completely on every single one of the vertical bars as well, to ensure that they don't fall out of the wall or fall off of the horizontal bar. Other than that, I'm going to use the screws and anchors that were included in the kit. When you figure out where you want your bar, you're going to want to put a level on the horizontal bar, mark your holes, drill your pilot holes, ensuring that the bar stays level. If it's going to be wider than 4 feet, then you'll use the second bar, which will simply slide behind the first bar, and then you'll install both bars together. Here on this side of the bar are 2 toggle bolts. The rest are in the studs. Here I am sliding it behind the first bar, matching up the holes, and then fastening the bar level to the wall. Now you're ready to put your vertical bars, which hang on the horizontal bar, and then you'll mark the holes in all 3 of the other screw holes, and the top one will be a toggle bolt, which I recommend. The rest of them can be screws in regular 3/8 inch anchors that are included in the kit, or some other drywall anchor that will help to increase the shear strength, while the toggle bolt will help to hold the bars to the wall. You'll see the spacers. The spacer covers are 22 inches wide. You can use them to help space the vertical poles, which you can also use a level to make sure they're plumb, straight up and down. And when you put on the brackets, there will be some shelves which will be 22 inches wide. And that's why these spacers are 22 inches wide. In the end, you'll have all vertical bars going for all the way to the end. The brackets simply slide in, they'll lock in, and then when you put the shelves on top, there are these tabs which push back, which lock it down. Make sure that it's level. As you can see here, the whole system is level, and you can already start to configure it how you want. These hooks will hold the bars. They simply slide into the underside of the brackets, and in the end you have your system. Link is in the description if you want to buy either the closet system or the stud finder, the most important tool that I used. Subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.